In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best welding machines available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the welding machines list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the welding machines mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. ACDC HBT250P ACDC TIG MMA. The Hitbox HBT250P ACDC TIG welding machine by HZXVOGEN offers professional-grade performance with IGBT inverter technology. It supports AC/DC TIG, Pulse TIG, and Arc/MMA welding, making it highly versatile. With a max TIG output of 200A and support for welding thicknesses between 0.5 mm and 8 mm, it's perfect for aluminum, steel, and other metals. Dual voltage, 110V/220V, CE certification, and a precise digital control panel make it a top choice for precision welders and workshop use. Number 4. DEKO MMA 200SE Arc Welder. The DEKO MMA 200SE is a lightweight and efficient DC inverter arc welder perfect for beginners and professionals alike. It delivers up to 200A of output with a wide current range, 20–200A, and operates on standard 220V. With 85% efficiency and a duty cycle of 40%, it's ideal for quick welding jobs. Its compact size, 32 by 22 by 13 centimeters, and 3.2 kilograms weight make it easy to carry, and the IP21S protection ensures durability. Suitable for electrodes 1.6 to 3.2 millimeters, this welder is perfect for home repairs and small fabrication tasks. Number 3. HZXVOGEN HVM 270 MIG TIG MMA. The HZXVOGEN HVM 270 is a true all-rounder welding machine, combining 6 functions into one compact tool: cut, gas MIG, gasless MIG, HFTIG, and MMA. With a max output of 270A and support for stainless and aluminum materials, it's designed for professional and DIY use alike. Its inverter technology ensures stable arc control, while a digital display and 2T/4T mode enhance usability. Weighing just 13.5 kilograms, this CE-certified welder is ideal for metalworking shops, fabrication, and at-home repairs. Number 2. AWithZ UF20B Spot Welder. The AWithZ UF20B 10500W spot welding machine delivers powerful performance for welding nickel sheets and 18,650 lithium batteries. Designed with superfarad capacitors, it offers a peak output of 1750A and 6V, ensuring strong welds every time. It supports 99 gear adjustments for precision and comes with a durable aluminum alloy shell. Its wide voltage input, AC 110–240V, makes it versatile for various setups. Ideal for battery DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking an affordable, compact, and efficient spot welder. Number 1. RDDSPON 801H Pulse Spot Welder. The RDDSPON 801H Pulse Spot Welding machine is built for power users who need reliable welding on lithium iron phosphate batteries, aluminum, and nickel. With a peak current of 3500A and 19.8 kW power, it offers precise control over pulse times, 0 to 20 milliseconds, for spot welding tasks. It handles 18650 and 26,650 battery types, welding pure nickel up to 0.5 mm and aluminum nickel up to 0.2 mm thick. With a robust aluminum and plastic build, 238J peak energy, and CE certification, this machine is a compact yet professional-grade tool ideal for battery pack builders and advanced DIYers.